Can you tell me your name, please?
Yeah, I'm Deluwarsha.
Deliwarsa, where you come
from?
from?
Bangladesh.
Mhm.
Yeah, morning. So
Do you know where are you now?
yeah, I know this is people say this is Indonesia, but I recently know this is Indonesia. So I hope the Indonesian people are very good. They're helping us. I'm extremely appreciating them.
After Indonesia, where are you going to? After Indonesia?
Inshallah, I won't go anywhere. If this country is very well. This country is very amazing. This country of the people of this world is very amazing. So that's why I would go anywhere. If the government of this country is agreeable for us to keep us, inshallah, we'll stay here. Not only I, but also my sister and my brothers, my uncles. They all stay in Bangladesh, in Indonesia.
How do you know you are in Indonesia right now? How do you know?
Actually, we plan to come Indonesia. So the middleman, the middleman, he fished us to Indonesia last night. After fishing, they have flew away with a speedboat.
So you are exactly want to go to Indonesia, right?
Yeah. I exactly come to Indonesia. My aspiration is to come Indonesia for accomplishing my ambition.
Your ambition, what is your ambition?
My ambition is to be a translator, but I have no opportunity to go to school and to study. So that's why I hope I will get an opportunity if I go to Indonesia. The people of Indonesia are very good. That's why I have come here today.
Are you sure that Indonesia will let you stay here?
Yeah, inshallah we'll stay here 100%. It's sure so.
Can't you say again where you come from? Your place in Bangladesh?
Bangladesh. Actually, we used to live in Bangladesh Rohingya refugee camp. As we are Rohingya.
Where exactly the place name?
The place of mine in Bangladesh.
Your village?
Tengkali, Coxbazar, Ukia.
So,
Coxbazar, Ukia.
How many people in the boat together with you?
Oh, actually we were 146 people.
How many women? How many children? How many men?
Actually, I didn't calculate how many female and male have in our boat. That's why I can't say that. I'm extremely sorry about that.
What is your plan for the next?
My future plan is if the government of this country is agreeable to keep us, inshallah we'll stay here and I will get an opportunity to study. And also not only I, but also my brothers and sisters and also my all cousins brother, they will get an opportunity to stay here and to study.
But
so
for example,
we would go anywhere from this country. So.
But the problem is you come to Indonesia illegally without any passport.
Yeah. Actually, we come to Indonesia. We have come to Indonesia illegally. It's not lawful. I know that. So actually, nobody is tackling our problem. That's why we have to come here illegally.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. Assalamu alaikum.